Hello, Divine Detox Goddesses. I'm Christine Odell, founder of the Divine Detox membership just for women, which is finally open. And it includes my Divine Detox Success Path, which I'm going to outline so you can see how you can accelerate your detox results and achieve radiant health. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how to get there with a lot more ease. And it's all because of the detox diet system I've developed that I call the Divine Detox Success Path. This success path is specifically designed for women I call Divine Detox Goddesses, because it is our divine birthright to enjoy radiant health. If you're just getting started on a detox diet and you want to achieve radiant health, I can help. Or if you're already on a detox diet but aren't getting the results you want, or you have even fallen off the detox wagon and want to get back on the detox track, you'll see how the Divine Detox Success System can get you there easier and faster. However, before we get to the details, I'd like to take a little step back. In order to achieve radiant health, you'll want to understand where you're working from. So, what is it about fully committing to a detox diet that will get the results that will make you feel better? And most importantly, why haven't you made the progress you know you're capable of? Well, I think I have an answer about that. Old habits stop women from getting what they want more than anything else. They keep you stuck, and it happens on a subconscious level. Let's face it, dealing with the challenges of staying on a detox diet can be really tough. But worse are the negative thoughts and doubts that creep in. And if you've ever asked yourself, can I really make the radical changes required for deep detoxification? It's okay. That's totally normal for women who are trying to do this, but who are having a tough time. To be honest, a lot of successful detox goddesses, women who are rocking their detox, have had these very thoughts. In fact, so did I. I remember lying awake at night wondering if I had what it takes and if I could ever heal from my complex and chronic illness. And to make matters worse, it seemed like other people doubted me too. And if you know how it feels to have someone close question what's important to you, well, you know what it's like. It's tough. It's humiliating. It's frustrating, and it's really, really lonely. So then I realized something. I could let this become my truth and have it stop me from getting what I want, or I could tap into all that energy and time that I was spending on worrying and channel it so that it gets me closer to my goals. Because worrying takes a lot of energy, right? You know how worn out it makes you feel. You're already sick and tired, so you have no precious energy to spare. So the great news is, if you feel this way, it's actually a good thing. You've got all the strength and power you need. You just need to harness it and use it in a better way. And nothing will make you feel better than taking action towards making your health goals a reality. So how would that feel to be able to channel all your energy towards your goal of achieving radiant health? How would it feel to have guidance and support to help you take that action? And think about having a community of other detox goddesses who are on the same journey as you, all committed to creating a healthier, happier, and incredibly richer life. And you wouldn't have to go it alone anymore. Imagine being part of a membership group where women are all walking the detox success path together towards that goal of radiant health and a commitment for all women to get healthy again. For me, it's a collective goal of women learning to work together to create better health and consequently a better world, right? This is the opportunity I have for you today, and it's why I'm so passionate about my Divine Detox success path. And it's the reason why I created the Divine Detox membership group for women only. I created this membership opportunity to be a place where you can be in community with other women on the detox path, and where you can take simple but specific steps on your healing journey by following the Divine Detox success path. So if you're really new to detox dieting, but you're just not sure how to get started or gain some momentum, or you're a more experienced detoxer and want to expand on what you've already done, or even get back on the detox track, my Divine Detox membership can help you. So let's take a minute and talk about what's included in my Divine Detox membership, where we work on the Divine Detox success path process. I'm excited to show you how it will help you get better detox diet results and achieve radiant health easier and faster. On my own journey of detoxification, and with all the women I've worked with as a detox specialist, I have identified 6 distinctive stages every detox goddess needs to go through on her detox and healing journey. So that's why I call it the Divine Detox success path, because it's a journey of these 6 stages. It's a unique path to be walked, and this detox diet system guides you on that path without all the frustration and confusion. The 6 success path stages walk you through a slow, steady, and safe detox system. A system you can follow all the way from being hopeful about detox to your ultimate goal of being radiant from detox. As you progress through each stage, you become more confident about your detox, you become more experienced with your detox, you become more healthy with your detox, and you ultimately get the results you want without all the stress and struggle of not knowing exactly what to do, when to do it, and how long to do it. So here are the 6 stages you will walk through on the success path. In stage 1, you are hopeful about detox. In stage 2, you are starting the detox. In stage 3, you are strengthening the detox. In stage 4, you are rocking the detox. In stage 5, you are sustaining the detox. And in stage 6, you are radiant from detox, your ultimate goal. Now, there are 2 components to the Divine Detox membership. The first component is a membership website where you will work through modules, lessons that are set up with the Divine Detox success path I've just introduced you to. There are videos, workbooks, and detox diet menus and recipes to guide you every step of your detox and healing journey. The website is set up with 8 modules, and you have access to them as long as you remain in the Divine Detox membership. You can take your time and go at your own pace, a pace that will be determined by where you are on your path right now and how quickly you want to move forward on that path. The modules will walk you through the entire detox system so you know exactly how to achieve radiant health without getting sidetracked by all the usual distractions and frustrations. Okay, here's an overview of the modules. Module 1 introduces you to the details of the Divine Detox Success Path and helps you determine what stage you are currently in. Module 2 is my complete Divine Detox diet laid out in a comprehensive ebook you can download and use as your daily guide. And then modules 3 through 8 are the Success Path stages 1 through 6, which are what will ultimately get you to your goal of radiant health. The second component of the membership is a private Facebook group community for women only. This is your Goddess Circle community where you will receive guidance, support, coaching, compassion, and a whole lot of love. It's the place you can come and hang out with other detox goddesses walking the detox success path, so you don't have to walk the path alone anymore. And as a bonus each month, we will work on a new detox theme. With that theme, you'll receive a video with a short ebook and a monthly live Facebook Q&A session for group coaching. And I'll also always be sharing new detox tips, recipes, menu plans, and all types of detox success secrets. So in addition to the Detox Success Path content, you'll also get this bonus content every single month. And by the way, July's theme is Divine Detox Diet Success. And we are going to be working on getting you the best customized recipes and menu plans to help you really get your detox diet on the success path. So you are going to be rocking your detox, goddesses. Are you ready for that? All right. As soon as you register for the Divine Detox membership, you'll get access to the private members area on the membership website, where you can immediately get started with the first module. And you'll receive a link to join the Facebook group community so you can get acquainted with all the other detox goddesses on the Detox Success Path and receive guidance, support, and coaching from me. So, is this Divine Detox membership right for you? Just so you know, it's for women who are fully committed to doing whatever it takes to achieve radiant health. If a strong intention and the right attitude isn't there, this may not be the program for you. So let's talk about the investment for this awesome detox membership. By now, you've seen that the Divine Detox Success System can get you better results than what you are currently doing. And it saves you time, it saves you energy, and it saves you frustration. And because I want to make it really easy for you to say yes to this detox membership and my Divine Detox Success Path, I've made it super simple and low cost for you to join. The investment is $29 a month for everything I outlined for you here today. You pay $29 every month and you can stay as long as you want. If at some point it's no longer a fit for you, you can cancel your membership. So you see, there's no long-term investment up front, and, well, I think that $29 a month is doable for most detox goddesses. So to make the progress you want on your detox and healing journey, you've got to break your old habits. The way you're going to do that is by investing in this program and in yourself, because the alternative is that you will keep falling off the detox wagon trying to do it all by yourself. When you join me and other detox goddesses, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, all the way to radiant health. If you follow what I show you, you will make progress, you will get results, and I guarantee you will love being part of such an incredible group of women. As you contemplate your decision to join the Divine Detox membership, just know this. If you're feeling overwhelmed on your detox journey, or you're struggling to make progress, please know that this is totally normal. For most of us, the biggest challenge is trying to manage all this on top of all the other responsibilities we have as busy women. Life is an ongoing competition for your time and attention, and it's a competition you rarely win. But it doesn't have to be that way. By making your detox goals a priority and having what you need to make them a reality, you can interrupt that pattern and get where you want to go. So ask yourself this: what's important in your life right now? What do you want to achieve in the months ahead? Knowing how to achieve radiant health will give you exactly what you're after: a much happier and healthier life. How long has it been that you have wanted to accomplish this? And how many times have your detox goals been pushed to the back burner? You have an opportunity to do something about that right now, today. So I warmly invite you to join me and register for the Divine Detox membership just for detox goddesses like you. Just click the link I've provided and it will take you to the registration page. I know once you are in, you will be delighted to be there, and I know you won't look back. I can't wait to help you achieve radiant health and create a happier life. Namaste.